You have 1/3 x minus 1 greater than or equal to 1/5 x plus 1. We have denominators. Clear this by finding our LCD. So what's our LCD for 3 and 5? LCD is 15. Okay. Let's multiply this then by 15. Both sides multiplied by 15. So what do we have here? We have 15 multiplied by the first expression in your parentheses. That's 1/3 x minus your LCD again multiplied by the second expression in your parentheses, which is 1. 15 times 1 greater than or equal to 15 times the first expression inside your next group, which is 1/5x plus LCD times your second expression 1. Let's divide out. We can. 15 divided by 3 is, okay, that is 5, is also divisible. So we have 5 there. We have 3. 5 times 1 times x, left side, we have 5x minus 15 greater than or equal to 3x plus 15. Combining like terms, x to the left and constant terms to the right. Let's make 3x 0, that's minus 3x. We have minus 3x here. How about negative 15? That's now plus 15 plus 15. You have 5x minus 3x. You have 2x 0. You have 0 greater than or equal to 30. Divide both sides by 2. You have x, which is, are we changing the direction? Nope. Since we have a positive divisor greater than or equal to 15. That's our first answer of the 3 forms. There are 3 forms: the inequality, the graph, and the interval notation. So we're done with the first form of our solution set. So let's have the graph. The graph is, all right, we have 15. We can find 15 in between 14 and 16. 15 is close or open? Close at 15. And the solutions, the other solutions are greater than that, means it's to the right of 15. Before we write this into interval notation, all right, so the left member is 15 and the right member is the positive infinity. So 15, is that a close? I mean, is that a bracket or open bracket or open parenthesis? 15 is open bracket. And then your right member, positive infinity, it's a close parenthesis. Right? So 15 to positive infinity, where 15 is close at 15. 15 to positive infinity. All right, for example 6, we have 3/4 times the quantity x minus 4 less than x minus 2. So multiplying both sides by 4, since our LCD is 4, only one denominator, we now have 4 times, oh, there's only one expression here, right? So we can cancel your 4. That gives us That gives us just 3 times the quantity x minus 2. How about here for quantity x minus 2 times 4? There are two expressions. Why 2? We have minus in between, so we have x first, 2 seconds. So x times 4 is 4x, and negative 2 times 4, negative 8. By distributive property, we have 3 times x. Of course, that's 3x. 3 times negative 2, negative 6, less than 4x minus 8. So we subtract both sides by 4x. We want to get this negative 6 to the right. So we get rid of that. Plus 6, plus 6. 3x minus 4x is negative x, less than negative 2. We have a negative in your x. We must get rid of that. So we divide this by negative 1. How about your x now? You're dividing by negative, you change the direction of your inequality. So negative x divided by negative 1 is positive x. Now you change the direction of your inequality, where negative 2 divided by negative 1 is positive 2. Let's graph this one. We have 2 here. 2 is in between what number? Between 1 and 3. Oh. So we have 2. Is it open for 2 or closed for 2? Open. Okay, it's open for 2. Open at 2. Greater than 2, that means all numbers greater than 2. And these are numbers to the right of 2. What's the interval notation? Just look for the left and right member of your interval notation. Left is 2. Right is, your right is the positive infinity, so positive infinity, comma, and these are both parentheses, open parentheses, close parentheses. So you have 2 to positive infinity. Left member is 2, open. Right member is positive infinity, the positive infinity, close parentheses.